हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल राइट स्पीच ऑन टीचर्स डे। It is the teacher that makes the difference, not the classroom. Michael Morpurgo. Good morning to all. My name is Dash. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day in the pursuit to honor our teachers for their everyday guidance to help us succeed in our paths. To begin with, I would like to salute and extend my overwhelming gratitude to the teachers community. They have always been a guiding light and provided rigid support to walk through our paths whenever needed. Today, on behalf of every student in the world, I would like to say that we owe a big thank you to each teacher who has helped us directly or indirectly in shaping our lives. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day marks the birth anniversary of late Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was one of the greatest teachers and philosophers our country ever had. When his students insisted to celebrate his birthday, he very graciously asked them to rather celebrate the day as Teachers' Day and not his birthday. Since 1962, 5th September is commemorated as Teachers' Day in India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, the true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Born on September 5, 1888, Sir Radhakrishna was a man of high esteems and values. He was one of the India's most dignified personalities. He had received his education in the field of philosophy. Some of his notable books are The Hindu View of Life, a source book in Indian philosophy, The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore, The Pursuit of Life, Faith Renewed, etc. These books radiate a pearl of gigantic wisdom and are a must read. Furthermore, Sir Radhakrishnan served the nation as the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and the second President of India from the 1962 to 1967. Besides, he is also the recipient of India's highest civilian honor, that is Bharat Ratna. In 1954, he has been nominated 16 times for Nobel Prize in Literature, while 11 times in the category of Nobel Prize. Dr. Radhakrishnan always believed that teachers must be the best minds in the nation. He donated a major part of his income as president to the Prime Minister National Relief Fund. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।